you bold and beautiful people? How are you doing today? Today's video is the bestie collab with my bestie, Mountain Witch Christine. I am so very excited. The first one of the year, and we're doing a winter makeup look. So I am very excited, and let's get started. So I am going with the Blue Blood palettes. This is actually one of my favorite palettes. This is like very beautiful. I really do love this palette. Um, and I decided, you know what, let's play with some blues. Eyeshadow base first. I'm using the Morphe. So we're just gonna go and put this shade I'm Cold into the crease. I'm going with Mint Tea just to blend that into the brow bone. And then I'm going to use Bluebird from Profusion Matte Hydrating. I'll be right back with the finished look. So this is the finished look. I really do love this look. I know this is something I've done before, but when I'm thinking about winter, about icy, this is what the look I will always come up with, but it is what it is. But yeah, make sure you check out my bestie so you can see what she come up with for this month's video. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless.